I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your greasy, dirty cabinets nice and clean. Here's what you need: a gallon of hot water and a 4 to a half a cup of Murphy's oil soap.
So I totally agree. Murphy's oil is a great way to clean your wood kitchen cabinets. It is perfect because it's a mild cleaner. However, if you're ever planning on painting your kitchen cabinets in the future, I would try to avoid Murphy's oil. The reason is it leaves behind an oily residue which seeps into the wood, and that can cause your paint to have adhesion issues in the future. So if you're trying to paint your kitchen cabinets in the future, try to avoid Murphy's oil and instead go with Dawn dish soap.
As a pro cleaner, I see this all the time: greasy kitchen cabinets, especially above the range hood. Here's a quick and easy way you can clean that up. A few drops of Dawn and some warm water and a scrub daddy. Scrub the entire cabinet, then come through with my 2-towel system, which is wiping down with a damp towel and buffing with a dry one. And it's clean.
Dawn is a mild cleaner, but is very powerful and gets rid of any dirt, grease, and grime. We use it all the time to prep our kitchen cabinets before painting. It's perfect for non-painted kitchen cabinets and painted kitchen cabinets.